given 6 rupees. Acha, Orko Priya, no drawing will be there in maths class, huh? Okay, now look at this. Now, Orko Priya, you think that how ma'am could know, na? Acha, okay, now look at this. First one is given 6 rupees 35 paise is the equal to the sum of 6 rupees 25 paise and dash. Look, it is given 6 rupees plus 35 paise, right? This will be equal to what? 6 rupees plus 25 paise plus some amount. We will have to find that blank amount. Okay, now look, 6 rupees is common, so it is matching. Yes or no? Spondon, Farhan Akhtar, Atreyi, okay. Now look, this 35 and 25 is matching. No, na? It is 35 and here it is given 25. So 10 less is given, na? So we need more 10 paise, yes or no? To make it 35, yes or no? Orko Priya, Spondon, Jinia, okay. So that means what will be in that blank? That will be 10 paise, right? Okay. Got it or not? Done, Tom. Now the next one. 20 rupees are equal to the sum of 10 rupees 50 paise and dash. Look, how many rupees? The second one I am making you understand. 20 rupees. These are equal to the sum of 10 rupees plus 50 paise. Acha, now look at this. Plus what will be there? Acha, 20 rupees we are dividing it, huh? Here there will be 10 rupees plus 10 rupees. So yes or no? Yes or no? Now for this 10 rupees it is given over there. Now this 10 rupee means, look, 9 rupee plus 1 rupee. Yes or no? Spondon, yes. Farhan Akhtar, Rahat, understood to? This 10 rupee means again 9 and 1 to? Not understood. First one Spondon understood. This first one. Acha, okay. Now look at the second one. It is given 20 rupees. We are breaking 20 rupees. We can say 20 means 10 plus 10. Yes or no? Now look, this 10 is given over there. So plus this extra 50 paise given. Okay, forget about this. Now look at this. This 10 rupee means, we can say 9 rupees plus 1 rupees. Yes or no? Rahat? 10 means to 9 plus 1. Okay. Now we can also write 9 rupees plus, for this 1 rupee we can write 50 paise plus 50 paise. Yes or no? 50 paise plus 50 paise means to 1 rupee, na? Yes or no? Yes. Now look, this 50 paise is already given over there, na? Look at this. It is already given though. So we can erase 150 paise because it is already given. Now what are the left? अब बचा कितना है? This 9 rupees बचा है और this 50 paise बचा है ना? Yes or no? Now understood everybody? Okay. So what will be in that blank? In that blank it will be 9 rupees 50 paise and 50 paise. Got it? Everybody understood too? Look, I am writing the answer over there, huh? 9 rupees 50 पैसे। डन। अच्छा ओके। अलमासुद्दीन, आईमान, राबिउल, Othrin, Samraj and Shadiq Farhan. Understood or not? Ankush, Orindam, Ayman. Okay, good. Very good. Acha, now look at this. The third one, okay? 18 rupees 95 paise are equal to the sum of 12 rupees 95 paise and dash. Look at this. How many rupees is given? 18. And how many paise? 95. Rahat, look at this. Huh? It is given that is equal to 12 rupees plus 95 paise. Yes, to plus blank is there. What will be in that blank? Rahat, look at this. Or Kopriya, all of you are three. Look, 95 paise. It is the common. It is matching. Yes. Now look, here it is given 18. So, but is there 18 given? No, na. It is given 12. So, how many we have to add? So that it will be 18. 12 plus what we will have to do? So that total will be 6. Good. So it will be 6 rupees. All of you understood? All the student understood too? Okay, good. Spandon, Farhan? Spandon not understood? Spandon, that first one and second one clear too? Acha, Orko Priya, this one not understood, right? Second one not understood. Acha, acha. Okay, I'm coming. Orko Priya, second one again I'll explain. Acha, this one understood. Orko Priya? Acha, Spandon, look at this. Those who have not understood this one, look. It is given how much rupees? 80. And how many paise? 95. That will be equal to, it is given 95 paise is given same, huh? Spandon. And but in place of 18 rupees, it is given 12. But is it correct? No, no. Because here it is 18. How can we write 12? So, plus how much extra amount we have to add? कितना extra amount add करना है ताकि वो 18 हो सके? How much extra? Definitely 6 rupees, na? Look, 6 plus 12, then it will be 18. Ha, yes. Now I think it is clear. Good. Acha, so right here 6 rupees. The third one. And Orko Priya, wait, huh? Let me complete this whole page. Then again I will explain number second one, number 2. Okay. Atreyi understood? Good. Farhan Akhtar, Almasuddin, Rahat, Rabiul Islam. Acha, Somriddho, Aryan Ahmed, Shougato, Jinia and Afroz. Understood? Good. Very good. Fatia Sultana, Zubair, Aryan Ahmed. Keep your camera on. Achha, okay, now the fourth one, let me explain. Dash are equal to the sum of 3 rupees and 5 rupees 5 paise. Look at the fourth one. Dash are equal to the sum of 3 rupees and 5 rupees 5 paise. Look at this. Which one will be equal to 3 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 5 paise? Say, just we will have to add them. Ayman, yes, Tom. Rahat, just we will have to add them, okay? Okay. Spandon plus, yes, Orko Priya, what will be the answer? Orko Priya, say 8 rupees 5 paise. Yes or no? Good, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, now write the answer of fourth one. So 8 rupees 5 paise. Jinia got it too. Acha, now look at this. Next one. The fifth one. Fifth one is very much easy. Look. 25 rupees are equal to the sum of 6 rupees and dash. Look at the fifth one. 25 rupees is equal to given 6 rupees plus dash. Acha, which one will have to add with 6 so that it will be 25? 6 rupees के साथ कितने ऐड करना है? वो 25 होगा. कितने? Count it. Just we have to do the subtraction now. 25 minus 6, it will be 19. Then if we add rupees 19, look, then only it will be, total addition will be 25. Yes or no? Yes or no? Acha, look at this. Again, I am telling. There are total 25 rupees. Okay. You have only 6 rupees. Spandan, you have only 6 rupees. Then how many amount do you have to add so that it will be 25? और कितने तुम्हारे पास होना चाहिए ताकि ये 25 हो सके? कितने? 19 ना? Count it. Exactly. So it will be 19. Now understood to? Farhan Akhtar, Rahat, Fatia Sultana, Jinia, Jennifer. Rahat, listen beta. 25 करना है. You have to make it 25 rupees. You have only 6 rupees. Then how many you have to add? कितने और ऐड करना है? 6 के बाद से काउंट करो अप टू 25. हाँ, yes, 19. Yes तो. Okay, okay. So write the next one. Done? Acha, now again I am explaining the second one. Orkopriya, listen to me very carefully. Huh? Those who have not understood the second one again, it is given 20 rupees. And we have to break it in such way. Look, 20 rupees means what? 10 rupees plus 10 rupees, acha, plus 9 rupees plus 1 rupee we can write. Orkopriya, yes or no? Yes, Tom. So this 10 rupees is already over there, na? Look at this. Yes, to Orkopriya. So we'll cross it. Now for this 1 rupee, Orkopriya, we can write this 9 rupee plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. Yes or no? Because 1 rupee means 250 paise, na? Yes, to Orkopriya. Now look, 150 paise is also given over there. Look at this. This one, na? So cross it. Here also cross it. Understood? Now bacha kitna? How many is remaining? Remaining 9 rupees and 50 paise. Yes or no? So now understood everyone? Okay. Good. Acha, now look at the next one. Look at the next one. Encircle the coins that match the total amount written alongside. That means in the right side, which amount is written, you have to encircle here, okay, that amount. Look, here it is written 21, so you have to encircle 21 of this among all the coins. Look, how to encircle. Spandan, look at this. And Farhan, stop to play. Farhan. Okay, now look. 21 rupees is given. Look, first one is 10. Second one plus 5. Third one plus 5. That means total 20. So 10 rupees plus 5 rupee plus 5 rupee. Then we will have to take only one rupee coin. Then only it will be 21. Look, we cannot take the other two. If we take this other two, then it will be 23 na? Yes, so. So encircle which will make 21. That's this one, this one, this one, this. Okay, just encircle which will make, encircle the coins which will make 21 rupees. Now the next one, 19 rupees. Acha, this 2, another 2, 4, another 2, 6, another 2, 8, then 10, 12. Okay, then this 5, 12 plus 5, if we take, this one will be 17. Then we have to make 19. Na? It is done 17. We need more 2. Take 2 1 rupee coin. It will make 19. Okay. Done. It is very much hazy even, huh? Don't look at this. Look at your book, huh? The screen is very much hazy. Even I cannot understand. Look where it is, whether it is 2 rupees or 1 rupees, okay? So it will be better for you. Look at your book, huh? And circle it. And circle it. Achha, now look, 6 rupees. Look, this 1 rupee coin and this 5 rupee coin. Next one, 13. Do it fast. Next one, 41. Four 10 rupee coins make 40 rupees and take only one 1 rupee coin, this one. Encircle it properly, huh? Don't make any mistake. 36, next one. Look, this one 10. Acha, take more, 2 more 5 rupee coins. Then 10 plus 10, 20. Another more 2 5 rupee coins. Then 35 and 1. Just encircle this one. Now I'll check your book. Now I will check your book. Acha, the name I'll call, they will show me their book one by one, huh? The name I will call, they will show me their book. Acha, I am giving you 2 minutes, complete this one, huh? Wait, Orkopriya, wait. Done. Okay, now let me take the names. Okay.